Hello, today we are going to learn chapter number 1 of IT class 10 and the unit is digital documentation and the name of the chapter is applying styles in a document. So I want to explain you first of all that how can we open the OpenOffice document. You have to click on start button and click on the OpenOffice. It is to be installed in a system and now click on the text document. So now the text document is opened and it is OpenOffice Writer as you can see on the top. So I have created a document for you. I'm going to open that by clicking on the file and click on recent documents. So this is the document which I have created for you. So I have covered all the 4 points of this chapter which we will be learning here. Along with the headings, I have written the commands using which we will be performing the actions. So first is list style categories and select the style from the styles and formatting window. So we should know that how can we open the styles and format window, and list styles category means how we can see the styles, various styles in the window and how we can apply it on the text provided. So there are 3 ways, either by pressing F11. So I'm going to press the F11 key. So by pressing the F11 here, so this window is open in front of us as you can see. So this is the window, styles and heading window. If I don't press this with the help of F11, as you can see, now the second option is click on the format menu and select styles and formatting options. So the second option is this one, click on the format, style and select format. The same window has opened in front of us. This is the second option. Now I'm closing this once again. The third option is press style and formatting option. This is style and formatting option in the formatting toolbar. This is formatting toolbar and this option I have taken the screenshot from here. So this is the option. I'm going to click on the style and formatting. So this is a third option using which we can open this particular window. Now the thing comes ki how can we apply these paragraph styles on some text. For that, so till now we have covered these 3 points. Either using any of the options we can open this window. Now the second option is how can we apply the headings effects on some text. So the command is select the text, double click on any style from the paragraph style, same formatting style will be applied to the text. Very easy. So I have written some text over here. So I am going to select the first part. It is for the first practical. So we need to double click on any of the heading. It will not be applied by single click. We need to double click, right? As you can see, if I want to apply this style, double click on this, as you can see. So this is heading 2. This is heading 6. By double clicking on any of the heading, the style will be applied, right? So this is how it can be applied. So this was first practical which we are supposed to do. So it has been done. Now let's reach the second practical. We'll be understanding what exactly we have to do here. Second is use fill format to apply a style to many different areas quickly. So we are going to use the fill format option from the style. So in this particular window, this is the button which is used for fill formatting. Okay, so this is used for fill formatting. Let's read the instructions carefully how it is to be done. Select the character style options from the style window. So these are the character style options. First command we have applied. Second is select any of the style from the list and click on fill format option. Select any style from here. Suppose I am selecting this quotation. Now click on the fill format mode. Now you can apply this on the text and the same commands can be, or the same formatting will be applied. As you can see, the quotation has been done. Using the fill format, we can apply this on any of the text we want. So very quickly it can be applied by pressing, dragging and dropping. So this is the second option. This is the second option I'm doing. Now I'm pressing the Ctrl Z so that I can make you understand the other practicals also. So this was the second part. Now what we have to do is, fill format is option is done. Now we have to click on this fill format button mode again. So it will be deactivated. As you can see, now it is not, this fill option is not here with me. Okay, now it's time to understand the third practical. So it is create and update new style from a selection. For that, what we are supposed to do, we have to apply this particular portion over here. So apply some formatting options on the text and click on new style. Let's do one by one. Suppose I am going to apply this on the third practical, as it is for the third practical I have selected. So you need to select this from here, and now you have to apply. What you have to do is you have to select the text and click on the new style. So formatting options we have to apply. Suppose this is the text I have selected and I want to apply some text formatting on this. So this is TW sin empty condensed, and here I want to select the font color, that is 20. I want to make it underlined. So this is the style. I have applied some formatting options on this. So second option is we have to, after applying some formatting options, we have to click on new style, right? So now we are going to create a new style from here, that is new style from selection. Now what we want to do is we want to apply some style name here. Suppose I want to write here new style. New style. Now click on OK. So as you can see that the new style has been created. The new style has been created with the name new style. Now the next option. Now select the formatted text and click on update style option, right? Now we have just created, so it is empty now. It has just been created but nothing is saved in it. Without updation, nothing will be saved on this. So now what we have to do is we have to, the selection is there as it is. What we had done, we had just clicked on the new style option and the new style had been created. It asked for entering the name which we had entered. Now the second command is to update the style. Now after updation, it can be applied anywhere. Now it is being applied. Now how can I do? By selecting this, double click on the new style, it has been applied. Okay, so this is the way how we can, I'm pressing the Ctrl Z. So this is how we can apply a new style. We can create a new style and we can update. So this was the third command or third practical. So the fourth portion is load a style from other document or a template. So let's see how can we do that. Create a new style in other document and close the file. So this is the first step. So let's do that. This is our class. This is the file class 10 applying styles, right? Now I want to create a new file here, new text document. This is my new file. So I'm selecting this. After selection, I am applying some formatting style on this. Suppose this is a style I am applying. I'm increasing the font size also. Right? This is Weiner Hand ITC and it is bold. I can select the italic option also. By selecting this, we can create a new style from here. So this is, suppose I am writing here style 1, right? Click on OK. So as you can see that style has been created. and we can click on update as well. It has been updated now. Now we can close the file. We can save the file and then we can close. So what we can do is we can save the file. Suppose I'm saving this on the on desktop, and this is my new file. Or we can say the file, this is file 2. This is file 2. Click on save. The file has been saved. This is file2.odt. Whenever we will be saving the file in OpenOffice Writer, by default it will take the extension .odt. So now we are going to close the file. Now this is my current file where we are working. In this current file, what is to be done now? First step is over, that is close the file. Now open our current document and click on the load styles, right? After clicking on the load styles, click on the from file button and select the file. Let's see what happens. So this is my fourth practical. So I'm going to apply the commands on the fourth sentence or the fourth practical now. Select the style, select the text, click on the particular option. Now click on load. Now we want to load the style from some other file. Okay, so we have to click on load style. So we don't want any style from here, as we need to load the style from some other file. So click on from file. Now we have to select the file, click on open. As you can see that all the formatting styles have been added in the existing file. So new style I just created. So I have already selected the text. If I am going to double click on it, see, the text has been applied. So this is how we can load. Or I think it would be new one. Let it be new one. Earlier it was selected the character style, but we have to click on the paragraph styles. As we will click on the paragraph styles, you can scroll the list up and down. Now this was the style 1 which we had created in the file 2. Now you just double click on it. Double click on this particular options, as the options will be applied over here. So this is how we can load the style from some other file. Now the fifth practical is here. Select the text and apply some formatting options. Fifth practical is create a new style using drag and drop. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so now what we are going to do this. Select the fifth practical. Now apply some formatting style on this. We have taken the Algerian. Select the style from here. Select the font size. Suppose I am taking this 36. It is quite big, so let's take some small size. It's 24, and let it be bold. And yes, now what we can do is we can select and we can drag and we have to click on this character style. Yes, now as you can see that whenever my mouse pointer will reach to this particular area, it is showing us a plus sign over here, means it is going to add a new style here. So drop it. So it will ask us for a new style name. So I'm writing it is my style. So click on OK. As you can see, it is my style. It has been created. Now if you want to make it active, so you have to click on this and update it once again. So it will be active. So these were the commands. These were the 5 practicals, and along with the 5 practicals, I have written all the commands along with them, so that you all can do them practically and practice them. Thank you so much.